So we had the 100 for Mozambique, but I didn't actually take it apart until I got home. I took it apart a couple of times, but is there a special knack technique, or is it just as simple as I done it?
Yeah, it's basically very simple. So make sure always that your rifle is empty. Remove the magazine. We have bolt open. You don't need to take the bolt out necessarily.
Right.
So basically we have two screws here that keep the barrel in place. So you open those screws, and the screws are retained within the forend, so they never get loose.
Never drop out?
No, no. So they're always there. And the barrel is loose. That's as simple as it is.
Quick look at the...
Yeah.
So basically, two screws.
Yeah. That's the recoil lug.
Yeah.
And we have bedding surfaces there for our V-parallel bedding. Similar system as we have in TRG and S20. So we know that accuracy is guaranteed.
Put this back on, straight back in zero.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So scope is attached to the barrel always.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, fantastic.
Just place it where it was. Slightly tighten the screws. Close the bolt. Closing the bolt makes sure that everything's aligned.
Right.
Everything's touching or leaning against the recoil lug.
Yeah.
Then you use the torque wrench to the correct torque.
Yeah.
With the screws, which is about 7 Newton meters. And you're ready to go.
Yeah. That's quite an important thing for me actually. By putting the bolt back in, realigning everything.
Yes.
That's that's a good tip.
Yeah. Typically, when somebody rebarrels a rifle, the first shot might be somewhere else because everything's not aligned.
Yeah.
But by closing the bolt, we make sure that everything's correct. Also on the first shot.
Yeah. And then caliber, changing to different calibers. You have to obviously change magazine. And
yeah, it depends on from which caliber you're changing and to which. So if you're changing from 308 to 375 Holland & Holland, barrel, magazine and the bolt body you need to change. If you're changing from let's say 308 to 243,
no change.
Just the barrel.
Yeah.
And everything's marked so that you don't mix them. So we have letters A and B for the bolts, and then we have numbers for the magazines. So you always know that barrel, bolt, and the magazine are marked. So
matching.
Yes.
Yeah. Great. Thank you.
That's why.
I'll do that again. I enjoyed that.